Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce fees with Zelle, detailed guide step by step clearly.
Open your banking app on your mobile device. Log in using your username and password. Navigate to the section for Zelle within the app. Check if your bank offers Zelle payments without fees. If applicable, skip any setup fees linked to Zelle. Choose to link your bank account or debit card to Zelle. Ensure you are using a bank that supports no-fee transfers. Check limits on the amount you can send without incurring fees. Send smaller amounts if necessary to stay below those limits. Consider making transfers during weekends or off-peak hours. Double-check the recipient's information before sending. Keep a record of your transactions for future reference.
Review your bank statements regularly to monitor fees.
Reach out to your bank if you encounter unexpected fees. Ask about any promotions that eliminate transfer fees. Stay informed about updates or changes to Zelle's fee structure. Use Zelle for payments to friends and family to avoid fees with merchant transactions. Explore other apps and services if Zelle does not meet your fee reduction goals. Continue to research and compare options periodically.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.